Buenos dias, Las Vegas A's baseball fans. Today is Monday, July 27th, and I'm down here at the site of the Las Vegas A's stadium, where the Mirage, not the Mirage, that's another project, but the Tropicana Hotel used to be. Not too long ago. I just wanted to come down here. I got a little break. I want to do a quick little video for you guys. I don't have much time today, but we can kind of get a little something going on. We're obviously looking for the next time they're going to be expanding on these brackets here. Looks like they're doing some work there with the ties. They're going to be moving the big red, number 3. And over here they've been staging a lot of this work here for the next truss lift, which I don't know when that's going to be. We're trying to figure that out. Got a lot of crew guys here having their lunch break. Again, it's about 8:30, so I got down here a little later. Try to get down here early, but you know how it goes. So they're having their lunch. But look at all of this. Oh man, one of you guys told me what this was called. This sheathing, this black sheathing that they put on this thing. But look at how much they've got going on here. They're going to continue down that way. And I see on the man lift over here right now, a little excitement for you. I love these things, man. What a cool job. Look at airplanes flying around. I mean, wow, industry. This is all about industry right here. Look at this. This is the entertainment industry. We're all about entertaining each other. And we're going to build something that we can do a massive entertainment here. This is going to be so entertaining, you guys. I love baseball. For those of you who just love construction, that's awesome. Watch this. For those of you who love the baseball, man, it's a double win, you know? Okay, big red number 3 is bringing up... Oh, okay. Is this going to be... Are they attaching this to the... Maybe they're going to be doing something here with this. They'll be using this to... Well, we'll find out. Let's find out, shall we? Mr. Crane Operator. I feel like the Grateful Dead should have wrote a song about a crane operator. That would have been a good song for them to write. Crane operator, making sure it doesn't become a wrecking ball. Taking your time nice and slow, so we have some baseball in the fall. Okay, doesn't quite make sense, but it rhymed at least. Okay, what are they going to be doing with this thing? It's going to be part of this roof truss. Did you notice all these little things up there? Whatever those things are. I wonder what those things are going to be for. Okay, the winds are picking up, guys. It's getting wind. It's not windy, but there are some gusts, and I can see that is also experiencing the gusts as well. Shout out to all the guys running the cranes. Thank you for keeping us safe out here. Bringing this piece of metal up here to, I don't know what they're going to do with this thing, guys. All right, we have touchdown. We have touchdown, clamp it, lock it in. And are these things going to be positioned between the trusses? Is Is that what we're doing? We're gonna mount these, like to connect the trusses together for support. You know, as they're putting this thing into place, they're also starting to come back onto the site here as well. So, from their lunch break. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. What craft. Really working the craft here. Okay, so that's going on the inside there. I can't see from this angle. Probably can from the street. Maybe we'll get a shot from the street over there. But it looks like they're going to be mounting things on the other side of this thing. We'll check that out later if I come back down. But let's see what else we got going on here. We got some more of this black sheathing going up. And it looks like a lot of this, you guys are talking about the precast. I believe that looks like it's precast and put in there, if I'm not mistaken. Is that correct, or is that something else? Now we're doing this black, I imagine some sort of, I'm sure it's fire retardant, some sort of insulation, some sort of thing, protective sheathing. What are we building here? Is this part of the scaffolding we're putting together? A little scaffolding build. Man, these techniques have probably been used for centuries, don't you think? Passing it up to the next guy, and then they build the next level, and then they pass it up to the next guy. We don't need to go to Planet Fitness today, boys. We've got our pulls in. We've got our squats. I'm pretty sure this is pretty good for your abs too. Lifting up over your head like that, those weights. I'm going to put some of these work gloves into the shop there so you guys can check them out and maybe consider if you guys are interested in buying anything. If you guys need work gloves. These guys, obviously, these are professionals, so they know what to get. And I look at their brands and I check out what they have, and that's what I go for. And if you're liking the content, please hit the like, hit the subscribe. Consider joining one of our memberships. Just supports the channel, gets us out here, you know, so that we can get you some good content. Yeah, I don't know what happened to that piece they set up for the thing. It's out of my sight. I'll go to the backside and take a look on the way out. But I really enjoy this perspective. You really kind of see a lot of construction stuff that I've never been able to see before up close. Like not like this. Not like with this. Like we're like slightly above them. Normally I'm looking up and trying to film it. This is really cool. For me. I hope you guys are liking it too. Haven't seen any welders out yet today. They might have been out earlier. I came in at their lunch break. These guys are cruising. Hauling some cables, some rigging cables away. Probably gonna do another little project here. Got some staging for some more, looks like aluminum siding maybe. By the way, thank you so much for watching and being part of the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Our memberships have really grown over the last 6 months. You guys have all been a part of this, and so I want to thank you guys personally. Up it goes. Look at those gloves, guys. Those are good gloves. Those are if you guys are doing any sort of construction work, you need gloves. Those are the gloves you need right there. And we'll put the harnesses, and we'll also put the safety vests as well as the helmets in there as well. And then the sunglasses. Sun gear is very, very important out here. I mean, you need the sunglasses. I also tag their clothing because people ask, like, how do these guys deal with the heat when it's 120 degrees out and they're standing out here trying to work? Well, they have protected clothing. Wow, okay. Look at this. This great. It's amazing. Coming along, friends. You guys are doing great today. And then these guys are doing some of this sheathing here. They've released that piece of the truss. And they probably have it mounted somewhere. Fortunately, I can't see it from here. Okay, well, there's your midday update for the day. Wanted to get down here. Looks like they got some stuff going on in the top levels up here as well. But thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll be back out here shortly next time. Thank you so much.